Topic is Laplace transform. First, we discuss what is an integral transform. Laplace transform is one type of integral transform. That's why first we discuss what is an integral transform, how to get Laplace transform from the integral transform. So, what is an integral transform? If integral minus infinite to infinite f s comma t f of t dt is convergent, then an improper integral is called an integral transform and denoted by I of f of t or f bar of s. Therefore, I of f of t equal integral minus infinite to infinite f s comma t f of t dt, where f s comma t is a kernel. So, what is the definition of integral? Definition of the integral transform means I of f of t equal integral minus infinite to infinite f s comma t f of t dt. So, where f s comma t is kernel. The transformations are depending on this kernel. So, what is the kernel for Laplace transform means? If f s comma t equal to e power minus st, if t is greater than or equal to 0, if t is less than 0, 0. If you define the kernel, this kernel is substituted in the integral transform. What we get? I of f of t equal to integral t less than 0. T less than 0 means minus infinite to 0. T greater than 0 means 0 to infinite. So, from minus infinite to infinite means first one integral minus infinite to 0, f s comma t f of t dt plus 0 to infinite f s comma t f of t dt. Minus infinite to 0 means t less than 0, kernel is 0, so total part is 0. Next, 0 to infinite means t greater than 0, f s comma t is e power minus st. Substitute in this one, what we get? 0 to infinite e power minus st f of t dt. So finally what we get? 0 to infinite e power minus st f of t dt. This is Laplace transform. This integral transform is called a Laplace transform. So L of f of t equal to integral 0 to infinite e power minus st f of t dt. So Laplace transform denoted by L of f of t or f bar of s. This is a definition of Laplace transform. This is getting from integral transform. So what is the Laplace transform? What is Laplace transform means if integral 0 to infinite e power minus st f of t dt is convergent, if integral 0 to infinite e power minus st f of t dt is convergent, then the integral transform is called Laplace transform. And denoted by L of f of t or f bar of s. L of f of t or f bar of. This is Laplace transform. Definition of Laplace transform. Therefore, what is the definition of Laplace transform? L of f of t equal integral 0 to infinite e power minus st f of t dt is convergent. Convergent means after integration we are getting the finite quantity. That is convergent. So 0 to infinite e power minus st f of t dt is convergent. This integral transform is called a Laplace transform denoted by L of f of t or f bar of s. This is the definition of Laplace transform. L of f of t equal integral 0 to infinite e power minus st f of t dt, that is equal to f bar of s. Now we are discussing some Laplace transform of elementary functions. Laplace transform of elementary functions. Laplace transform of elementary functions. So first one, Laplace transform of 1. So what is the Laplace transform of 1 means? That is 1 by s. Laplace transform of t, that is 1 by s square. Laplace transform of t power n factorial by s power n plus 1 or gamma n plus 1 by s power n plus 1. L of e power ad 1 by s minus a. L of e power minus ad 1 by s plus a. L of sin ad a by s square plus a square. L of sin HAT a by s square minus a square. L of cos at s by s square plus a square. L of cos hat s by s square minus a square. These are Laplace transform of elementary functions. So L of 1 is 1 by s, L of t is 1 by s square, L of t power n is n factorial by s power n plus 1, L of e power 8 is 1 by s minus a, L of e power minus 8 is 1 by s plus a, L of sin 8 is a by s square plus a square, L of sin 8 is a by s square plus a square, L of sin h 8 is a by s square minus a square, L of cos 8 is s by s square plus a square, L of cos h 8 is s by s square minus a square. These are Laplace transform of elementary functions. How to get resolvents? From definition of Laplace transform, we get all these Laplace transforms. So, for example, what is the first one? L of 1 equal to 1 by s. How to get the 1 by s? So, what is the definition of Laplace transform? L of f of t equal integral 0 to infinite e power minus st f of t dt. So, L of f of t equal means L of 1 means f of t equal to 1. Substitute in that one integral 0 to infinite e power minus st into 1 into dt. So, what is integral of e power minus st? E power minus st by minus s. Integration of e power ax means e power ax by a. So, integral of e power minus st means e power minus st by minus s. Limits are 0 to infinite. Upper limit is infinite means e power minus infinite by minus s. Minus lower limit is 0 means e power 0 by minus s. E power minus infinite value is 0. E power 0 is 1. So, this is 0. Minus into minus plus e power 0 is 1 by s. Finally, we get 1 by s. So, L of 1 equal to 1 by s. So, these are getting from the definition of Laplace transform. We get all these Laplace transforms. These are main important things of Laplace transform. Next, we should remember some trigonometric formulas. We must remember some trigonometric and hyperbolic formulas for the Laplace transforms. So, first one is 2 sin square a, that is 1 minus sin square a means 1 minus cos 2a by 2. What is cos square a? Multiple formula 1 plus cos 2a by 2. 1 plus cos 2a by 2. 2 sin a cos b means that is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Next 2 cos a cos b cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. 2 sin a sin b cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. You must remember this type of formulas. And also sin 3 theta means 4 sin cube a. 4 sin cube a means 3 sin a minus sin 3a. 4 cos cube a means 3 cos a plus cos 3a. These are sin cube, sin square, cos square. We know only Laplace transform of sin a. We know only Laplace transform of sin t, but he asked me what is the Laplace transform of sin square t, what is the Laplace transform of cos square t, what is the Laplace transform of sin cube t, what is the Laplace transform of cos cube t. So, if you ask me the Laplace transform of sin square t means we are applying this formula. If you ask me the Laplace transform of cos square t means we are applying this formula. So, you must remember these formulas. Laplace transform, also sin 2a, sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a means sin 2a, okay, it's enough. So, for sin cube a, for the hyperbolic functions, also we can remember sin h square a means cos h2a minus 1 by 2. Cos h square a means cos h2a plus 1 by 2. So, 4 sin h cube, 4 sin h cube a means sin h3a minus 3 sin h a. 4 cos h cube a means cos h3a plus 3 cos h a. So, these also you must remember hyperbolic functions, hyperbolic formulas. So, these are main important formulas from trigonometry for the Laplace transform. So, for example, what is the Laplace transform of sin t? So, for example, Laplace transform of sin t means L of sin at. What is the L of sin 80? A by s square plus a square. A by s square plus a square. He is asking what is the Laplace transform of sin t. Means a means there is no a means that is value is 1. So a equal to 1. So a equal to 1 means L of sin t. So a equal to 1 means 1 by a square plus 1 square. We get. But he is asking what is L of sin square t. What is L of sin square t? We know the only formula for Laplace transform of sin t, but we don't know what is the Laplace transform of sin square t. That's why we can apply what is sin square. In the trigonometry, we have the one formula sin square t equal to 1 minus cos 2t by 2. So we apply that formula from this for here. So what is sin square t? Sin square t means 1 minus cos 2t by 2. 1 minus cos 2t by 2. Now we are applying the formula of we are applying the Laplace transform of each term. 1 by 2 is constant L of 1 minus L of cos 2t. So what is the L of 1? L of 1 is 1 by s. What is L of cos 2t? S by s square plus 2 square is 4. This is the Laplace transform of sin square t. So without the trigonometry formula we can't do the Laplace transform of sin square t. So we must remember these all formulas for the Laplace transforms. So first we discuss some problems on the Laplace transforms. Find Laplace transform of e power minus at minus 1 by a. What is the Laplace transform of e power minus at minus 1 by a? So solution is L of e power minus at minus 1 by a. From the linear property, L applying each term. So here 1 by is constant taken outside. Next L apply each term. So here we have the two terms e power minus at 1. So L is applying each term. Means L of e power minus at minus L of 1. This is called linear property. L applying each term means that is from linear property we can apply each term. So linear property is applicable only for plus and minus only. Plus and minus. So 1 by a into L of e power minus at means what is 1 by s plus a. L of 1 means 1 by s. This is the Laplace transform of L of e power minus at minus 1 by a. Find the Laplace transform of L of t plus 1 whole square. Find the Laplace transform of L of t plus 1 whole square. First expanding a plus b whole square. L of t plus 1 whole square. L of a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Applying L on each term means L of t square. 2 is constant. L of t plus L of 1. So L of t square means L of t power n. What is L of t power n? If n is integer, n factorial by s power n plus 1. N means 2. 2 factorial by s power 2 plus 1. So L of t, 2 into L of t. 2 into L of t. L of t means 1 by s square plus L of 1 means 1 by s. 2 factorial means 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 by s cube plus 2 by s square plus 1 by s. This is the answer for L of t plus 1 whole square. Find the Laplace transform of L of sin omega t plus alpha. Find the Laplace transform of L of sin omega t plus alpha. So L of sin omega t plus alpha. Here we have the sin of a plus b formula. L of sin of a plus b means sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Here t is variable, omega and alpha are constant. So this is t is there, here t is there. So these are variable. Cos alpha sin alpha means this is constant. So take constant on outside. So cos alpha into L of sin omega t plus sin alpha into L of cos omega t. Cos alpha into what is sin at? A by s square plus a square. A means omega. Omega by s square plus omega square. Sin alpha into what is omega t means L of cos at s by s square plus a square. S by s square plus omega square. So this is answer for L of sin omega t plus alpha. Next one is L of sin 2t into cos t. L of sin 2t into cos t. So L of sin 2t into cos t. Sin 2t into cos t means linear property is not applicable for into. Linear property is applicable only for minus and plus only. So here we cannot apply the Laplace transform of sin 2t into cos t. So by using the trigonometry formula, we know the formula sin A cos B. We know that 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B equals sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. So sin A cos B equal to 1 by 2 into sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. So here A is 2t, B is t. Applying this, sin 2t into sin t equal to 1 by 2 into sin of A plus B, 2t plus t, 3t. Sin of A minus B, 2t minus t, t. These are. So applying L, Laplace transform, sin 2t into sin t equal to sin 2t into cos t, sorry. Sin 2t into cos t equal to 1 by 2 into L of sin 3t plus sin t. Here we are applying the, place is there, we are applying the linear property. By applying the linear property, L of sin 3t, L of sin 3t plus L of sin t. So L of sin 80, A by s square plus s square means 9. L of sin 80 means 1 by s square plus 1. This is the answer for 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 into. One by 2 into 3 by s square plus 9 plus 1 by s square plus 1. This is the answer for L of sin 2t into cos t. These are some basic questions on the Laplace transform. So next we will go to the one statement, first shifting theorem. Next we have to go first shifting theorem. If L of f of t equal to f bar of s, if L of f of t equal to f bar of s, then L of e power at into f of t equal to f bar of s minus a. This is statement for first shifting theorem. If L of f of t equal to f bar of s, then L of e power at into f of t equal to f bar of s minus a. So if L of f of t equal to f bar of s, e power at into f of t means s transform to s minus a. S is transformed to s minus a from first shifting theorem. So another note, e power at into f of t means f bar of s minus a. L of e power minus at into f of t means what we get? That is L of means f bar of s plus a. L of e power at into f of t means f bar of s minus a. L of e power minus at into f of t means that is f bar of s plus c. For example, what is L of sin 80? A by s square plus a square. Now L of e power 80 into sin 80. L of e power 80 into sin 80 means e power 80 into f of t. E power 80 into f of t means that is f of first shifting theorem. So first shifting theorem means s transformed to s minus a. S is transformed to s minus a. So what is L of sin 80? A by s square plus a square. So L of e power 80 into f bar means that is f bar of s minus a. This is f bar of s. F bar of s is a by s square plus s square. We want f bar of s minus a means s replaced by s minus a. S replaced by s minus a. So a by s minus a whole square plus a square. This is the answer. A by s minus a whole square plus a square. So L of cos 80. S by s square plus a square. This is f bar of s. So L of e power 80 into cos 80. L of e power at into cos at. And that is f bar of s minus s transformed to s minus a by using first shifting theorem. So here what is s? F bar of s means s by s square plus a square. S minus a means replace s by s minus a. S minus a by s minus a whole square plus a square. This is first shifting theorem. L of t power n factorial by s power n plus 1. L of e power at into t power n. L of e power at into t power n means this is f bar of s. This is f bar of s transformed to s minus a from first shifting theorem means n factorial by s minus a whole power n plus 1. So this is first shifting theorem. So we do some problems on the first shifting theorem. Find L of 2t into sin 3t plus cos 2t plus t square plus 2. And this is L of e power 8 into f of t form. So this is L of e power 8 into L of e power 8 into f of t means this is first shifting theorem. First identify what is f of t. What is f of t? So here f of t is sin 3t cos 2t plus t square plus 2. This is f of t. Next find the Laplace transform of f of t. So we have L of sin 3t plus cos 2t plus t square plus 2. So applying the linear property means L of sin 3t plus L of cos 2t plus L of t square plus L of 2. L of 2 means 2 is constant. 2 write in 2 into 1. That's why 2 into L of 1. 2 into, we know the formula for L of 1. L of sin 3t means L of sin 8. A means 3. A by s square plus 3 square. L of cos 8 means s by s square plus 4. L of t square means n factorial by s power n plus n means 2. 2 factorial by s power 2 plus 1. L of 1 means 1 by s. This is the answer for, sorry, this is the Laplace transform of sin 3t into cos 2t plus t square into 1. This is f bar of s. But we have the first shifting theorem. From first shifting theorem, L of e power 3t, L of e power 2t into f of t, L of e power 2t into f of t, that is f bar of s minus a, f bar of s minus a means 2. So s transform to s minus 2, s transform to s minus 2. So replace s by s minus 2. So we have 3 by f bar of s means this one, s minus f bar of s minus 2 means 3 by s minus 2 whole square plus 3 square plus s minus 2 by s minus 2 whole square plus 4. 2 factorial means 2 by s means s minus 2 whole power 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 2 into 1 2 by s means s minus 2. This is the answer for given question. L of e power 2t into sin 3t plus cos 2t plus t square plus 2. Next we do another problem. Find L of e power t into sin cube t. L of e power t into sin cube t. So here this is in the form e power at into f of t. F of t means sin cube t. First find the Laplace transform of sin cube t. So L of, we have L of sin cube t. So we know that. So what is 4 sin cube a? 4 sin cube a means 3 sin a minus sin 3a. This is formula for 4 sin cube a. We want sin cube t. We want means a equal to t. Sin cube t equal to 4 take on right side means we get the 1 by 4. 3 into sin t minus sin 3t. So L of, applying the Laplace transform on both sides, L of sin cube t equal to 1 by 4 into 3 is constant. L of sin t minus L of sin 3t. So 1 by 4 into 3 into L of sin t, a by s square plus a square. What is a? A is 1, s square plus 1 minus L of sin a t, a means 3, 3 by s square plus 9. This is Laplace transform of L of sin cube t. This is the bar of s. From first shifting theorem, so L of e power t into sin cube t. L of e power t into sin cube t means that is the bar of s minus a. A means 1. So s transform to s minus 1. So 1 by 4 into 3 into 1, 3 by s square means s minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 3 by s minus 1 whole square plus 9. This is answer for the given Laplace transform L of e power t into sin cube t. We go to another one, another problem. Find L of e power minus t into cos 3t into cos 2t. L of e power minus t into cos 3t into cos 2t. So here e power 8 into f of t form. So find the Laplace transform of f of t. This is f of t. L of cos 3t into cos 2t. So we know the formula. We know that 2 into cos a cos b equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So cos 3t into cos 2t equal to cos of 3t plus 2t means 5t, 2t minus 3t minus t means cos t. So applying L of cos 3t into cos 2t equal to L of cos 5t plus L of cos t. This is 2 means we get the 1 by 2. So to take on right side means 1 by 2 we get, this is 1 by 2 into. So 1 by 2 into L of cos 5t s by s square plus a square means 25 s by s square plus 1. Here a is 1, here a is 5. So this is 5 square. This is a bar of s. From first shifting theorem, L of e power minus t into f of t. This is first shifting theorem means minus means there is a bar of s plus a. A means 1. Means s transform to s plus 1. So 1 by 2 into s plus 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 25. So s plus 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 1. This is the answer for the given equation, given question. This is first shifting theorem. Next we go to multiplication by t. Another statement, multiplication by t. So first is the definition of Laplace transform. Next one is first shifting theorem. L of e power minus a, L of e power 8 equal to f of t into f bar of s minus a. Second statement is multiplication by t. Multiplication by t. If L of f of t equal to f bar of s, L of f of t equal to f bar of s, then L of t into f of t, L of t into f of t equal to minus d by ds into f bar of s. If L of f of t equal to f bar of s, then L of t into f of t, L of t into f of t equal to minus d by ds into f bar of. This is statement for multiplication by t. So this is only for t power 1. For example, L of t power n, L of t power n into f of t means that is minus 1 whole power n into d power n by ds power n into f bar of s. If you given n, what is the formula for L of t power n into f of t means minus 1 whole power n into d power n by ds power n into f bar of s. This is for multiplication by t. We do the one problem on this one. Find L of t into sin t. L of t into sin at. L of t into sin at means we compare it. This is multiplication by t into f of t. From comparing to that, what we get L of t into f of t. Here f of t is means t into f of t means multiplication by t. So here what is f of t? F of t is sin a t. So first we find the Laplace transform of sin a t. So we have L of sin a t. So what is the Laplace transform of sin a t? A by s square plus a square. This is a power of s here. So from multiplication by t, from multiplication by t means what we get? From the definition of the statement of multiplication by t, t into f of t equal minus d by ds into a bar of s, minus d by ds into L of t into f of t equal minus d by ds into a bar of s. So minus d by ds into a bar of s. A bar of s means a by s square plus a square. A by s square means this is in the form of u by v. In the form of u by v. So we get the derivative minus differentiation of u by v means v. V means s square plus a square into d by ds of u. U means a minus a into d by ds of s square plus a square by v square. V square means u by v. V square means s square plus a square whole square. So u by v formula, d by ds of u by v means v into d by ds of u minus u into d by ds of v by v square. This is the formula. Applying this one, this is u. U means a, v means s square plus a square. So it is this one. So we know the differentiation of x power n means n into x power n minus 1. Differentiation of x to s square means that is 2s. Constant is here s square plus a square. Differentiation of a, constant means 0. Minus a into differentiation of s square is 2s. Constant is 0. By s square plus a square whole square. 0 into anything 0. 0 minus 2as by s square plus a square whole square. Minus and minus plus 2as by s square plus a square whole square. This is the answer for the question. 2as by s square plus a square whole square. This is multiplication by t. He asked in same question in another type. Find L of e power at, e power 2t into sin at. He is asking e power 2t into sin at. Here t into sin at means this is multiplication by t. E power at into f of t means that is first shifting theorem. So in this one we have multiplication by statement, multiplication by t statement, and also first shifting theorem also we have. So here what is the f of t? This is first shifting theorem, this is multiplication by t. Here f of t is sin a t. So first find the Laplace transform of sin a t means we have L of sin a t equal to a by s square plus a square. From multiplication by t. From multiplication by t. Means what we get? L of t into sin a t. T into sin a t means minus d by ds into a bar of s means a by s square plus a square. So finally we get 2as by, already we did the last one, 2as by s square plus a square whole square. Now next go to first shifting theorem. From first shifting theorem, this is multiplication by t. First find the Laplace transform of sin a t, next do the multiplication by t, next go to first shifting theorem. L of e power 2t into sin a t means that is a bar of s minus a. A bar of a means 2, s minus 2. So replace s by s minus 2 means what we get? 2a into s minus 2 by s minus 2 whole square plus a square whole square. 2a into s minus 2. 2a into s minus 2 by s minus 2 whole square. Now applying this is the formula for a bar of s here. So s transform to s minus 2 means 2a into s minus 2 by, here s is there, replace s by s minus 2 means s minus 2 whole square plus a square whole square. This is answer for the question. 2a into s minus 2 by s minus 2 whole square plus a square whole square. This is enough for the answer. Don't expand that one. This is enough for the answer. So he asking both statements multiplication by t and most important he asking the multiplication by t and first t theorem. Both statements you can apply here. Find L of t square into cos 2t. T square into cos 3t. L of t square into cos means t power n into f of t. T power n into f of t. So here f of t is cos 3t. Find the Laplace transform of cos 3t. L of cos 3t equal to s by s square plus s square means a is 9. 3 square is 9. This is L bar of s. From multiplication by t, from multiplication by t means L of t square into f of t. T square means n equal to 2. N equal to 2 means n equal to 2 means minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square into n equal to 2. D square by ds square into f bar of s. Minus 1 whole square is plus d square by ds square into f bar of s means s by s square plus 9. So d by ds into d by ds of s by s square plus 9. So again derivative u by v. D by ds into u by v. So what is v? S square plus 9 into d by ds of u means s minus s into d by ds of s square plus 9 by v square means s square plus 9 whole square. So d by ds of differentiation of s with respect to s means 1 s square plus 9 minus s into s square is 2s. 9 is constant 0 by s square plus 9 whole square. 2s into s square. So s square plus 9 minus 2s square by s square plus 9 whole square to d by ds into s square minus 2s square means 9 minus s square by s square plus 9 whole square. Again differentiate u by v rule. So s square plus 9 whole square into d by ds of 9 minus s square minus 9 minus s square into d by ds of s square plus 9 whole square by s square plus 9 whole square means whole power 4. V square, s square plus 9 whole square is there. Again whole square means 2 into 2, 4. So you differentiate s square plus 9 into differentiation of constant 0. S square means 2s means minus 2s. Minus 9 minus s square into s square plus 9 whole square means s square plus n whole square means he is applying chain rule means assumption method. We have chosen this is s. S square means 2s. Differentiation of x square. This total part assuming is s. Total part treated as s. S square. S square means 2s. 2 into s square plus. Total part is assumed as s. S square is 2s plus. In the application is applied only s square plus 9. So again differentiation of s square plus 9 means what we get? 2s. Constant is 0 by s square plus 9 whole power 4. This is the answer. After simplifying s square plus 1 is common, power 4 is cancelled. We get a denominator part s square plus 9 whole cube. This is the answer for L of t square into cos 3t. This is for multiplication by t. Next we go to division by t. Division by t. If L of f of t by t, if L of f of t by t equal to integral s to infinity into f bar of s into ds. L of f of t by t equal to integral s to infinity into f bar of s into ds. If L of f of t equal to f bar of s, then if L of f of t equal to f bar of s, then L of f of t by t equal to integral s to infinite f bar of s into ds. This is statement for division by t. If L of f of t equal to f bar of s, then L of f of t by t equal to integral s to infinite into f bar of s into ds. This is a statement for division by t. Go to the one problem. Find L of sin t by t. Find L of sin t by t. This is in f of t by t form. This is in f of t by t. F of t by t means this is division by t. So here what is f of t? F of t is sin t. So first find the Laplace transform of sin t. First we have to find Laplace transform of sin t. So we have L of sin t. What is sin t? A by s square plus a square. A means 1. 1 by s square plus 1. From division by t. From division by t. L of sin t by t. Put integral s to infinite into f bar of s into ds. Integral s to infinite into what is f bar of s? 1 by s square plus 1 into ds. We know what is integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx. What is integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx? Tan inverse x. So here 1 by 1 plus x square means that is tan inverse s. Limits are s to infinite. Applying the upper limit, tan inverse infinite. Lower limit is tan inverse s. Upper limit is infinite means that is pi by 2 minus tan inverse s. We know the one formula in the inverse trigonometry, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. Means cot inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. So pi by 2 minus tan inverse x equal to cot inverse x. Pi by 2 minus tan inverse x means that is cot inverse s. Cot inverse. This is the answer for the L of sin t by t. That is cot inverse s. So from this one also applying the shifting property. First shifting property. He asking find L of e power t into sin t by t. He asking L of e power t. L of e power t into sin t by t. L of e power t into sin t by t. Here division by t is there. First shifting theorem is also there. So first find the Laplace transform of f of t. Next apply the division by t. Next apply first shifting theorem. So we have L of sin t. What is sin t? 1 by s square plus 1. From division by t. From division by t means L of sin t by t. So what is sin t by t? Already we get this one. L of sin t by t means cot inverse s. Cot inverse yes. From first shifting theorem. From first shifting theorem means L of e power t into sin t by t. That is f bar of s minus a. A means 1. A means 1. So s transform to s minus 1 means this is f bar of s. So f bar of s minus 1 means cot inverse of s minus 1 is the answer for the L of e power t into sin t by t. This is division by t. Next, so first shifting theorem multiplication by t, division by t. Next we go to differentiation of Laplace transform of derivative and Laplace transform of integrals. Laplace transform of derivative. Laplace transform of derivative. If L of f of t equal to f bar of s, if L of f of t equal to f bar of s, then L of f dash of t equal to L of f dash of t equal to s into f bar of s minus f of 0. S into f bar of s minus f of 0. If L of f of t equal to f bar of s, what is the L of f dash of t means Laplace transform of derivative. L of derivative of f of t. L of derivative of f of t is equal to s into f bar of s minus f of 0. Laplace transform of derivative is equal to s into f bar of s minus f of 0. This is useful in inverse trigonometry, inverse Laplace transform of transform. So you must remember this formula. These are most useful in inverse Laplace transform. So L of f dash of t equal to s into f bar of s minus f of 0. This is one time derivative. He is asking n times. He asking n times L of differentiation of n times of t. Differentiation of n times of f of t means that is s power n into f bar of s minus s power n minus 1 into f of 0 minus s power n minus 2 into f dash of 0 minus s power n minus 3 into f double dash of 0 and so on. Finally we get f power, here s minus a n minus n means 0. Finally f power n minus 1 of 0. F power n minus 1 of the, this is differentiate n time. You put n equal to 1, what do you get? If n equal to 1 means L of f dash of t equal to n equal to 1 means s power 1 into f bar of s. N equal to 1 means 1 minus 1 0. S power 0 is 1. So s power 0 is s power 0 into f of 0. So this is enough. S power 0 is 1 means s into f bar of s. S into n equal to 1 s into f bar of s. S power 0 is 1 means f of 0. If n equal to 2 means 2 times means L of double dash, not square. Write in the double dash. N equal to means differentiate 2 times. So n equal to 2 s square into f bar of s. 2 minus 1 is 1 s into f of 0. 2 minus 2 is s power 0 is 1 means that is f dash of 0. So s square into f bar of s minus f of 0, s square into f bar of s minus s into f of 0 minus f dash of 0. This is n equal to 2. N equal to 3. L of f triple dash of t means s cube into f bar of s. 3 minus 1 2 s square into f of 0. 3 minus 2 is 1 s into f dash of 0. Next one, n minus 3 minus 3 is 0 means f double dash of 0. These are formulas and so on. N means that one. So these are useful in inverse trigonometry applications of differential equation. So you must remember these formulas: n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3. These are most useful in inverse Laplace transform for the differential equations. Applications of differential equations. So these formulas are enough for this. Next we go to integrals. Laplace transform of integrals. Laplace transform of integrals. If L of f of t equal to f bar of s, then L of integral 0 to t f of t dt equal to 1 by s into f bar of s. This is statement. If L of f of t equal to f bar of s, then L of integral 0 to t f of t dt equal to 1 by s into f bar of s. This is in Laplace transform of integrals. So the before L of f dash of t derivative, here L of integrals. In this one also same one, differentiate integrating n times. 0 to t, 0 to t, 0 to t into f of t dt, dt and so on dt n times. So what is the Laplace transform? L of means L of integral f of t dt n times means 1 by s power n means f bar of s. Integrating n times means 1 by s power n into f bar of s. Integrating 2 times means 1 by s square into f bar of s. Integrating 3 times means 1 by s cube into f bar of s. For example, L of integral 0 to t, integral 0 to t cos hat into dt into dt. So here what is f of t? F of t is cos hat. So first we find out the Laplace transform of cos hat. So we have L of cos hat. L of cos hat means s by s square minus s square. S by s square minus s square. So from the integrals, what we get? From Laplace transform of integrals, L of integral 0 to t cos hat dt dt 2 times means that is 1 by s square into f bar of s. So 1 by s square into what is f bar of s? S by s square minus s square. 1 s cancel. 1 by s square minus s square. This is the answer for that question. 1 by s into s by s square minus s square. So integrals also applying in the division by t and multiplication by t. Sometimes he asking find L of integral 0 to t e power t into sin t by t. L of integral 0 to t e power t into sin t by t. Here division by t is there, first shifting theorem is there, and also Laplace transform of integral is also there. So first we have to find Laplace transform of sin t. We have to find Laplace transform of the sin t. We know L of sin t 1 by s square plus 1. From division by t also we know we have to find sin t means that is cot inverse s. Division by t means cot inverse s. From first shifting theorem L of e power t into sin t by t. What to get? Cot inverse of s minus 1. From integrals L of integral 0 to t e power t into sin t by t into dt, because that is 1 by s into a bar of s. Say here 1 by s into a bar of s means cot inverse of s minus 1. This is the most important thing. Integral 0 to t e power t into sin t by t. Sometimes asking find L of integral 0 to t into e power t into sin t. So what do we say? What do we do? First find the Laplace transform of sin t. Next we do Laplace multiplication by t, L of t into sin t. Next we do the first shifting theorem. Next we go to Laplace transform of integrals. These are most important problems from the Laplace transform. L of integral 0 to t e power t into sin t.